Here is the test, everyone, how to test your PCB bulb. Okay, so look at balloon and PCB bulb. So if the air in the balloon does not evaporate, PCB is good. And then if the balloon evaporates, PCB is bad. Okay, so have a look. So the air is still there inside. Okay, so it means it's good. And then when you force this one, so the bulb is here. Okay, so it means the good bulb inside the PCB bulb. So when you press this one, that's the time the air evaporate. See, look. So it means the bulb here inside is good. So this is how to check your PCB bulb, good or bad. See. So this is a one-way bulb. Okay, so from crankcase here to the intake manifold, this is the flow of the PCB bulb. All the PCB bulb, this is how to test in AC way. Okay, just clean. So if the bulb is clogged, so you have to clean. So if you cannot fix it, so just buy a new one. Okay, have a look. The air is evaporate. Look. So this is how to test your PCB bulb. See? So it means the bulb inside is good. See? Okay. It's really nice. Very nice. Or you can use the hose, okay, by blowing. So put the hose here by blowing your mouth, okay, just using this hose, or you can insert. Okay, I show you. I fix here. So this is the connected to the crankcase, and then look, I will show you. This is the second test. Okay, look, you hear the sound is closing. This is the second test using the hose. Okay, blow into your mouth here, blow with air, and then listen to the PCB bulb. Okay, see, good evaporate. This is came from the crankcase, connected to the crankcase, and this one goes to intake manifold. Okay, but if you change that one here, you can put it here. See, it should be there is no leaking. Okay, should be there's no leaks. Okay, you change the hose to the top, as you can see, no leak. Okay, just like we are using the balloon. See, I blow with air. Okay, so this is two types of checking to check your PCB bulb, any PCB bulb in your car. Okay, so you can test like this, the two types of checking using the hose and the balloon. Okay, so thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you like my tutorial, okay, on how to check your PCB if you have problem in your PCB. So don't ignore this problem, because this will cause of engine performance, mga ka-automotive.